Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting to me and I've actually wanted to do it for a few weeks now, but I wanted to make sure that I got proper use out of this bag before doing this video because I wanted to tell you my thoughts. So this video is going to kind of be a two-part video. The first part is going to be an update on the bag and how I like it, and the bag I'm referring to is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. I bought this bag a couple weeks ago, so I'm going to tell you my thoughts on it and how I feel, positives and some negatives. And then the second part is going to be a what's in my bag. When I first bought this bag, I asked you guys to leave a comment below if you wanted to see what's in my bag, and a lot of you did, so that is what I'm here to do today. So let me show you the bag that I am talking about. This is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. As I stated before, I bought this a few weeks ago. I love this bag. I don't know what else to say. I have been wearing it every single day since I did that unboxing. I love it so much. I work full time. I'm a mom on the go. This bag is just a perfect crossbody bag. Now the reason I purchased this bag is because I wanted a bag I could use every day but that could fit a lot. The bag that I was using before was a little black Gucci crossbody bag and I loved it, but I found that I was overstuffing it and I couldn't fit enough in it, so I wanted a good crossbody bag that looked classic and chic, but yet I could also fit a lot in it, and boy can I fit a lot in it. So this is what the bag looks like again, and the only negative that I found so far is the inside of the bag is a canvas, and we went out to a restaurant, I think it was Texas Roadhouse, and I was stuffing my face like I usually do, and I dropped some food in the bag. I don't know if it was a cracker or what, but it stained the interior, and no matter what, I couldn't get it off. So I have noticed, I've only had the bag for a couple weeks, I noticed that the canvas interior definitely stains easily. So, you know, if that's something that bothers you, I just want to make sure you're aware of that. But other than that, this bag has been amazing. So let me just put it on again so you can see. So I'm 5'3", it's a crossbody bag. It usually sets right on my hip. I wear it to work. I wear it when I'm in comfortable clothes like today. It has just been such an amazing bag. I would highly recommend it if you guys are on the lookout for a good quality handbag that's gonna last and you can fit a lot of stuff in. I don't know, this might be the bag for you, but I want to show you what I have in my bag and then how I organize everything. So here's the bag. It comes with a buckle, and then the back of the bag, it has a zipper. Now this is something you could use for change, etc., but you know what I like to do? I like to put my phone in it. It's a perfect place for my phone, so then if my phone's ringing or if I'm texting one of my friends, you know, I don't have to worry about opening up the bag, and I found that it just fits perfectly in there. I love it. And my phone actually has a Lumi case on it, and it also has a pop socket. So it is pretty thick, but it does fit in here. So that's the first thing I put in there. Okay, so let me open the bag. Okay, so here is everything that I have in my bag. As you can see, it's so nice because it has little compartments. So let's get started with the first thing. The first thing I have are tampons. Hopefully I'm not going to offend anybody, but I have 6 tampons in here. Who needs 6 tampons in one day? I don't know why I grabbed so many. Leave a comment. I know this is getting a little personal, but leave a comment below if you guys do this. I don't know why, but I just grab a handful, but all of these were currently in my bag for that time of month. This is real life, guys. This is really what's in my bag. All right, the next thing I have in my bag, this is a checkbook cover. It is a rose gold and marble checkbook cover that I got off of Amazon. I want to say it was like $9 or $10. I can link it below. Yes, I am still one of those old ladies that carries a checkbook. You never know when you're going to have to write a check for Girl Scout cookies or school pictures or anything like that. So this is a very thin checkbook cover. So again, I will list this and try to maybe link it below if I can find it. Again, I think it was only $9 or $10. And you know how obsessed I am with the marble and the light pink. I just love that. Okay, moving on. The next thing I have, and this is something that I have had for years, probably like 10 years. It is a little Burberry card case. and you can tell it's getting old because if you look up close, you can see how it's starting to get a lot of wear and tear. You open it up, but I actually use this for my birth control pills as a way to conceal them. You know, when you get your birth control pills, they give you that little plastic case that's not very attractive, and also I was like, you know what, this, rather than using it as a card case, I can use it to conceal my pills. Now, I used to use it as a card case, but I found that I love doing this because then, you know, people will see this and they're not going to see my pills, and it fits perfectly in here. So that is the next thing I got in my bag. Okay, moving on, I have some lotion, some hand lotion. So it's the winter time right now and my hands get really dry. This is lotion from the Body Shop. It's Satsuma hand cream. This smells so good. I actually want to put some on right now. It is a nice citrusy scent, but I just love it, and it fits perfectly in the bag because it's just a small little size. All right, let's see what else I have in here. Moving on, I have a receipt, and this is to TJ Maxx, and if my friend Lindsay is watching, she will remember me texting her. I have a serious problem. Just a quick story and then I'll get back to the bag. So I have a serious problem with TJ Maxx and Home Goods. I am addicted, and I am addicted to any marble print stuff. I just love it so much. So I was in TJ Maxx and I texted her. I was like, I officially have a problem now. I saw a marble yoga mat. Now, that I saw that, I was like, I have to have it. The problem with that is I don't even do yoga. And she texted me, she was like, okay, well, did you actually get it? And yes, I have to say I did get it. I don't do yoga, but maybe someday I'll take up yoga, but I figured I could use it in my garage if I'm doing weights or sit-ups or anything like that. So, but I have a really bad addiction to Home Goods and TJ Maxx. I love those stores. You can find such good, affordable items that look so nice. So anyway, I have a receipt from when I bought my marble yoga mat that I'm not going to use for yoga, but you guys can relate. Okay, next I have my wallet. Okay, so this is a YSL wallet that I also like to use as a clutch. I bought this, I want to say I bought this maybe like a year ago, but I love it because I'm the type, I carry so much with me, and I needed a pretty substantial wallet, like a large wallet to fit things in. So I use it as a clutch too. When you open it up, you can see I put my credit cards on both sides. You know, I have my change purse in the middle. I have receipts here. I have money. Ooh, I have money. Oh, and then I have a CVS $5 extra bucks. That's exciting. Love CVS. Maybe they'll have some new drugstore makeup. But yeah, so one of the main reasons I wanted this bag too is because none of my crossbody bags would fit this wallet, and this fits in here perfectly. So it's a pretty thick wallet and it fits nicely, and like I said, if I don't want to carry the bag, I can just grab the wallet as a clutch, so it works out well. Okay, I have a couple more things in here. The next thing, this is a recent discovery. It is by Chanel, and it is the Rouge Coco Shine in number 54. It's kind of like a lip balm, but it's a pretty mauve. It's what I'm wearing today, and I just keep this in my purse if my lips get chapped or anything like that. It is just, it has a slight tint of color. It's that mauve tone, which I like, but it just feels so comfortable and smooth on the lips. I have been loving this. So this has been my go-to in my purse if I need to touch up. Okay, the next thing I have in my bag, and this is actually something I want to say I bought recently, but I don't think I did a video on it or anything like that. So as you guys know, I had a 6-key holder, which was really nice. But one problem I had was if I needed to go to the gym or anything like that, there was a slot you could put your license in or a credit card, but it didn't have an enclosure. So I was worried it would slip out. So I was on the hunt for a new one that would serve, a new key holder that would serve multiple purposes, and I found this one. This actually matches the bag. So I was really, really excited about it. But as you can see, it's a cute little key holder. And I have all of my keys on it that fit perfectly on here, and you can put them back in here. But the thing I loved most is, you know, when you go to the gym, you don't want to take a purse. So it has the zip part in the back. this is where I keep my license, and I also have my credit card too, and then you can put a little bit of cash. Anyway, but this has been a recent find that I have absolutely been loving, and it doesn't hurt that it matches my bag. Okay, so the last thing that I have is so my bag is empty. You can see the compartments. The thing I love is I used to carry a little pouch with my coupons, but with this purse there is a pouch in the back where I have a bunch of coupons. So, I have quite a few. So let me go through the coupons I have really quick. I have one to Express. I have a free panty at Victoria's Secret. I have $10 off at Under Armour. I have this for Lord & Taylor, 10 off 40 for your birthday. I have a Z Gallery coupon. I have an Angel Reward, a happy birthday for New York & Company. I have a happy birthday to Express, and then happy birthday to DSW, which, stay tuned. So this January is my birthday month, and one thing I did last year that I'm going to do again this year, because I thought maybe it would help you guys during your birthday month too, is if it's your birthday month and you sign up for emails, etc., you get birthday coupons. So I'm going to do something that's kind of called like a birthday coupon haul. I did it last year too, and I'm going to tell you the birthday coupons that I was able to get, and then I'm going to tell you what I got with those coupons. So if you think that might be something that's helpful to you, leave it in the comment section below. So yeah, so I have all these coupons, and they fit perfectly in this pouch. But that's it, guys. That's everything I have in the bag. I absolutely love this bag. The wear and tear has been great. It's a really great quality bag. I have like one or two little stains on the bottom, but because of the material, because the bag is leather, it'll just wipe off. So like I said, if you guys are in the market for a really good bag, good quality bag that's going to last you a really long time, I would highly recommend it. Again, it's the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, and this is in the Empreinte leather noir. It is such a good bag. So I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. If you have any questions about the bag, make sure to leave it in the description box below. If you have any questions at all, leave it below. I will do my best to get back to you guys. I love you so much. Thanks again for all of your support, and I hope you have a lovely day.